We, the members of EEB Batch 8, are here to explain our project entitled Single Phase to Three Phase Conversion using Pulse Width Modulation Technique. So generally, pulse width modulation is widely employed technique in AC motor control. It involves modulating triangular waveform with a sine wave to determine the switching point of power devices. Coming to the components, first we have step-down transformer. In step-down transformer, input voltage is higher than output voltage. Then we have bridge rectifier. Here we are using full wave bridge rectifier. This consists of 4 diodes and this converts AC to pulsating DC. After bridge rectifier, we have voltage regulator. Voltage regulator is used to maintain the output voltage constant, and from there it is connected to microcontroller. This is AT89S52 microcontroller. Microcontroller uses DC as input and it generates pulse width modulation signals. From there, those are given to MOSFETs. In MOSFET, here we are using MOSFET for switching action, and they have 2 types of resistors. One is 300, other one is 10 kilo ohms. 300 ohms is connected between gate and source. 10 kilo ohms is connected between drain and source. The output of MOSFET is connected to 3 separate single-phase center-tap transformers. Here the MOSFET acts as inverter, and DC supply from microcontroller is converted to AC, and that AC is given to center-tap transformer system. Each three loads are connected to these center-tap transformers. Thus, single-phase supply is converted to 3-phase supply using PWM technique through microcontroller.
Step-down transformer reduces the voltage from the mains. Rectifier converts AC to DC. Microcontroller generates control signals. MOSFET controlled by the microcontroller converts DC to AC. Step-down center-tap transformer converts single phase to 3-phase, and 3-phase AC is supplied to the loads.
Conclusion. In this conclusion, the presented project on PWM control for a 3-phase inverter system utilizing a programmable 8051 family microcontroller offers a practical application of theoretical foundations, despite the acknowledgement limitations of PWM, such as potential underutilization of the inverter's supply voltage and increased harmonic distortion due to asymmetrical switching characteristics. Its simplicity and widespread use make it an attractive choice for AC motors control systems. The project specifically addresses the challenges to a well-designed system.